Hello traders, D7 here, and let's take a look at the markets this week. Crazy bloodbath, recession, fears. They were saying this is the first time since 1936 we've had a market start this bad at the beginning of a year. Very bearish out there. And I want to take a look at the broad markets. We're going to look at the Dow, NASDAQ, S&P, and Russells. And we're going to look at weekly charts. Everything that we're looking at here is weekly. Check this out. We have these higher swing highs, higher swing high, higher swing low, higher swing low, higher swing low on the Dow. And things were in trouble when we broke these lows. See this? We had support, support. We broke through support right there. Now I call that the kiss of death. I know breakout trader likes to call the kiss of death, I think, this when it comes up and retests right there and starts to head down. Different terms for different people. Anyway, I see this is when it's lost all support, rallies back up, support now is acting as resistance, and then we fell. And this is your typical head and shoulders pattern. You can see it right here. But anyway, again, this is a weekly chart. We had this bloodbath this month, and check this out. Major support. See this support? See this swing low? We had some resistance here, and we broke out of it on a high base breakout. Came down, act as support. Now we have support here, precisely where we're at right now. Look at that major sell volume here. It would not surprise me if this still acts as support, if we don't doji out or maybe get a hammer Monday, and or just start our ascent, because we're due to have some bullish days come in here, especially if Mr. Bernanke were to come in and give us a favorable rate cut. I don't know if a half a point is going to do much, maybe 3/4 of a point. If we could get that, that would send this market soaring, at least for the short term. Well, let's take a look at the NASDAQ. The NASDAQ, get rid of a couple of lines. Let's see where we're at here. Oh, wow, major support. Look at this, resistance, resistance, high base breakout, support, support. We're right at support area on the NASDAQ. So we're there too. Here's your head and shoulders on the weekly NASDAQ. And let's take a look at the S&P. The S&P is my big one. This is the one I favor right here. Look at this, resistance acting as support. Again, it wouldn't surprise me if we don't get a nice bounce here. Let's look at the Russells. The Russells is at major support. Resistance, resistance, support, 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 support. So this is what I'm thinking, guys. I'm thinking that it wouldn't shock me if we don't go bullish next week. Be very careful. If you go bullish in this bearish market, you have to have your stop losses in place. Play very smart, play scared, meaning that you don't trade without a stop loss. Make sure you have that in place, and do not risk any more than you can emotionally accept on any one trade. So anyway, it's been very good for the bears. I had a great week in trading, and I'm sitting on cash as we speak. I'm looking to find out what's going to happen next week before I pull the trigger either one direction or the other. Happy trading to you, and thanks for coming to freetradingvideos.com. Make sure you get registered so we can hear you chat it up in the forums. Catch you later.